Environmental pollution refers to the introduction of contaminants into the environment, leading to adverse effects. These contaminants can be in the form of pollutants such as chemicals, noise, light, or particulate matter. The sources of pollution are diverse, including industrial activities, vehicular emissions, improper waste disposal, and deforestation. Environmental pollution poses some threats that can adversely affect human beings and the ecosystem. Some these threats includes air pollution. Fine particulate matter and pollutants like nitrogen dioxide pose significant risks to respiratory health. Ozone layer depletion due to air pollution contributes to global warming and climate change. Water pollution. Industrial waste, agricultural waste and improper disposal of general waste contribute to water pollution, making it unsafe for use. Contaminated water sources can lead to severe health issues for both aquatic life and humans. Pesticides, heavy metals, and industrial waste contribute to soil pollution. Soil degradation affects agricultural productivity and can lead to long-term environmental damage. Environmental pollution has lots of negative impact, amongst which are health impact. Respiratory diseases, cardiovascular issues, and other health problems result from exposure to air pollutants. Contaminated water sources contribute to waterborne diseases. Biodiversity loss. Pollution disrupts ecosystems, leading to the decline of various plant and animal species. Habitat destruction and chemical contamination displaces animals and jeopardizes the entire biodiversity. Climate change. Greenhouse gas emissions from pollution contribute to climate change. Altered weather patterns, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events are consequences of this interconnected crisis. Reducing environmental pollution would lead to a cleaner environment. Reduced pollution leads to cleaner air and water, decreasing respiratory illnesses and promoting overall well-being. A clean environment supports diverse ecosystems, preserving plant and animal species, and maintaining ecological balance. Pollution control helps mitigate climate change, contributing to a more stable and sustainable global climate. Clean environments foster healthy soils and water, supporting sustainable agricultural practices and ensuring food security. Lower healthcare costs, increased productivity, and tourism revenue contribute to economic growth in pollution-free areas. Reducing environmental pollution requires conscientious and consistent efforts from all stakeholders. Private and corporate individuals, government agencies, non-for-profit organizations, etc. all have major roles to play in turning the tide against environmental pollution. They can do this through implement and strengthen environmental regulations to limit industrial emissions, transition to sustainable practices, waste management, public awareness, international collaboration. Battling the silent threat of environmental pollution requires concerted efforts on individual, community, and at global levels. Recognizing the interconnectedness of environmental pollution and climate change is crucial for developing comprehensive strategies to mitigate it. By implementing stringent regulations, adopting sustainable practices, and fostering international collaboration, we can work towards a cleaner, healthier planet for current and future generations. Governments, businesses, and individuals must prioritize sustainable practices, invest in green technologies, and actively participate in global initiatives aimed at curbing environmental pollution. The urgency of this situation demands immediate action, as the silent threat of pollution continues to compromise the health of our planet and its inhabitants. At Balance of Creation, we recognize the threat of environmental pollution and support every effort to win the battle against it. We continue to educate and sensitize the public to take responsible action to protect our environment. Visit Balance of Creation for more.